The Micro800 family of programmable logic controllers introduces the expandable Micro850 controller with maximum flexibility and customization for higher I/O performance. The following presentation demonstrates how easy the power supply, plug-in modules, expansion I/O modules, and terminal blocks can be attached and removed when required. First, connect the external power supply to the 48-point controller. Although any 24-volt power supply can be used, the Micro800 power supply is rated so that the Micro850 controller has sufficient power even when the maximum number of plugins and expansion I/O are populated. To customize the functionality of the controller, select the various Micro800 plug-in modules available and attach it onto the base controller unit. Next, detach the end cap from the right end of the controller and attach the various expansion I/O modules for higher density and greater precision analog and digital I/O, ending it with the bus terminator 2085 ECR module. For easy installation, maintenance, and wiring, the base unit and expansion I/O modules offer the convenience of removable terminal blocks. Furthermore, software programming from the PC is available through USB and Ethernet, while the serial port can be used with a modem for remote connectivity. This image shows the complete assembly of Micro850 controller attached to an external power supply and the maximum number of plugins and expansion I/O modules. The following diagram provides an overview on the versatility of the Micro850 in connecting to other key components. Software programming is done through the computer using Connected Components Workbench software when the controller unit is connected via USB. Human-machine interface, such as PanelView 800, can be connected via Ethernet cable. Another important component that can be added through serial RS485 connection is the component drives, such as the PowerFlex 4M AC drives. Also, Kinetix 3 component servo drives can be linked via hardwired motion, pulse, and direction. Micro850 controllers empowers maximum customization and flexibility with plug-in and expansion I/O modules. With Micro800 PLCs, you can expect to ease acquisition costs and reduce machine assembly time.